Listen up, young professionals. LinkedIn is your secret weapon in the B2B world. It's not just for job hunting anymore. Think of it as a massive networking event, happening 24/7. You can connect with potential clients, partners, and mentors, all in one place. Forget outdated marketing tactics. LinkedIn is where the real action is. It's a goldmine for building relationships and growing your business. This is where you establish yourself as an expert in your field. Share your knowledge, engage in conversations, and watch your network flourish. But here's the key. You gotta be active. Don't just create a profile and disappear. Consistency is key. Post regularly, comment on others' posts, and participate in industry discussions. This isn't about being salesy. It's about providing value, building trust, and becoming a go-to resource in your industry. Remember, relationships are everything in business. And LinkedIn is the ultimate relationship building platform. So are you ready to unlock its power? First impressions matter. Your LinkedIn profile is your digital handshake, so make it count. Ditch the boring corporate jargon and inject some personality. Use a professional headshot that screams, "I'm confident and approachable." Your headline is prime real estate. Don't just state your job title. Highlight your unique value proposition. What problems do you solve? What results do you deliver? Make it clear what you bring to the table. Your About section is your chance to tell your story. Don't be afraid to get personal. Share your passions, your experiences, and what drives you. Authenticity resonates. And don't forget to showcase your skills and experience. List your accomplishments, certifications, and any relevant projects. Make it easy for people to see why you're a rock star in your field. Remember, your profile is a work in progress. Continuously update it with fresh content and new achievements. Want to connect with decision makers? LinkedIn makes it easy. Use the search bar to find people in your target industry and companies. Pay attention to their profiles, their interests, groups, and what they're sharing. When you send a connection request, personalize it. Don't use the generic message. Mention something specific you found interesting about their profile or work. Show them you've done your homework. Engage with their content, like, comment, and share their posts. Become a familiar face in their LinkedIn world. Join relevant LinkedIn groups where your target audience hangs out. Participate in discussions, offer valuable insights, and build relationships. Remember, building a strong network takes time and effort. Be patient, be consistent, and focus on providing value in every interaction. Section 4. Turning connections into leads. Once you've built a solid network, it's time to turn those connections into leads. But remember, it's not about spamming people with sales pitches. Focus on building relationships and offering value. Share insightful content related to your industry. This could be articles, videos, case studies, or even just your thoughts on industry trends. The key is to provide value and establish yourself as a thought leader. Engage in conversations and answer questions related to your expertise. Position yourself as a resource people can trust. Use LinkedIn's lead generation tools like sponsored content and InMail to reach a wider audience. Don't be afraid to follow up with your connections. Check in on them, see how they're doing, and explore potential opportunities to collaborate. Remember, building trust takes time. Be patient, be persistent, and focus on nurturing those relationships. Section 5. Content is king, fueling your LinkedIn success. Content is king on LinkedIn. It's what gets you noticed, sparks conversations, and positions you as an expert. But not just any content will do. You need to create high-quality, engaging content that provides value to your target audience. Think about the challenges your ideal clients face. What keeps them up at night? Create content that addresses those pain points and offers solutions. Use a mix of formats to keep things interesting. Videos are incredibly powerful. Share quick tips, behind-the-scenes glimpses, or even just your thoughts on industry news. Don't be afraid to experiment and see what resonates best with your audience. Use strong visuals to grab attention. People are more likely to stop scrolling for an eye-catching image or video. And most importantly, be authentic. Let your personality shine through in your writing and your videos. Section 6. Crush it, your LinkedIn journey starts now. There you have it, your roadmap to LinkedIn B2B marketing domination. Remember, LinkedIn is a powerful tool that can help you build relationships, generate leads, and grow your business. But it takes effort, consistency, and a genuine desire to connect with others. Start by optimizing your profile, connecting with decision makers, and sharing valuable content. Engage in conversations, build relationships, and watch your network flourish. Don't be afraid to experiment, try new things, and see what works best for you. And most importantly, have fun. LinkedIn is a platform for building genuine connections and sharing your passion with the world. So, go out there, crush it, and let LinkedIn take your career to the next level.